On December 26, the International Monetary Fund, IMF's World Economic Outlook signaled that Korea's economy will continue to rank as the 10th largest for 3 straight years in 2022 in terms of nominal gross domestic product. In this article, we will look into the size of the global economy and discuss how it is measured. World economy size. According to the International Monetary Fund, IMF, Korea's nominal gross domestic product, GDP, was estimated to be about $1.8239 trillion, 216.8 trillion won, this year. Such a result ranks Korea 10th out of 191 countries in the world that estimate the size of the IMF's economy. Countries with larger nominal GDP than Korea are the United States, China, Japan, Germany, Britain, India, France, Italy, and Canada. The IMF predicts that Korea's GDP will also rank 10th in the world next year. Based on this figure, the IMF reported that Korea's economic growth rate was positive despite the COVID-19 crisis. Korea's average economic growth rate last year and this year was 1.7%, higher than that of the other 7 major countries, G7. How to measure the size? The IMF estimates the size of the country's economy based on nominal GDP. Nominal GDP is calculated by multiplying the gross national product by price per year. However, there is a possibility of overestimating or underestimating economic performance because nominal GDP measures inflation without eliminating it. Therefore, when referring to economic comparison of economic growth rate compared to the past, real GDP is used. Real GDP is calculated by multiplying the gross national product for the current year by the base year price. Real GDP has a lower risk of overestimating and underestimating economic performance than nominal GDP. Nevertheless, the reason why nominal GDP is used to measure the size of the economy is that it is useful to identify and compare the structural fluctuations of the economy between the countries, or the importance of each factor of production that has changed. Economic scale growth and its distribution. For Korea's economy to rise higher, over the 10th place in the world ranking, nominal GDP must increase as it was previously discussed. In other words, we need to produce more goods at high prices based on national competitiveness. Yet, if we focus only on expanding the size of the economy, we may neglect other social problems, such as polarization, which means the country will only prioritize growth over distribution. Therefore, when we think about the size of the economy, we need to consider growth and distribution, both aspects together.